welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kayla. Today we're going to talk about a new subscription box that I am trying. I tried a year of Ipsy, time for something else, and this subscription box popped up. So this subscription box is called YesOhYas, and I'll tell you a little bit about it and then we'll get into what I got in the box, and then you can decide for yourself if you think it was worth it. I will let you know if I thought it was worth it. Yeah. Also, I'm having that 100th subscriber giveaway. All you gotta do is be subscribed to this YouTube channel and you have a chance to win. And then all that stuff's gonna be mailed to one lucky winner. So, a little bit about the box. It is $14.99 per month US, plus shipping. So depending where you are in the US will depend on how much shipping costs. Canadians get a flat rate. It's either $8 or $10. By the time conversion was done, I ended up paying $31, $32 Canadian. And I did purchase this. I started my subscription on the 6th of June. It shipped out June 20th, and I got it June 29th. Now, I'm not sure when July's is going to come because I will have technically been subscribed since the 1st of July. So, I'll see next month. I'm also going to link all of the websites for the products that I talk about so that you can find them. There's also a code that they give you, so if you use the code YAS, you can get 10 to 20% off the websites of these products. I don't know if it's on the product themselves or actually on the website, just your order, but that's there for you. And I do have a referral link if you do want to try this out. You get 10% off your first box, so we can try this adventure together. First up, we're going to talk about, it's called the Mellow Treasure Chest palette. So this they valued at $27.99. I looked on the Mellow website and they listed it as $28, so pretty much bang on there. This is what the inside looks like, because this is what we really care about right here. It does have a very beautiful outside, I will say that. It's nice and sparkly, and I mean, for me, when I saw this as an eyeshadow junkie, I was like, oh, yes, you get me. So I was really excited about this. I am wearing a couple different shades in here. I'm wearing Crystal, Tiger Eye, Pearl, Amethyst, Smoke Topaz, and Garnet. So I will put that there for you. So this shade is in my inner corner. These two are on my lid, as is this, and then those top two right here I have used for my transition shades on the lid. I will say that this palette is gorgeous. I saw this and I instantly fell in love. I tried it. I like it. I want to give you a couple tips though. So Crystal automatically goes on, boom, super pigmented. You can use a brush, you can use your finger, it's beautiful. Pearl and Tiger's Eye, you need to really work with these. They're not super pigmented, but that's kind of nice for a transition shade. You don't want something that's super in your face right away, because then you're like, oh, I gotta blend it out. But these do require a little bit of work. Not a bad thing, but so you're aware. Amethyst, Smoke Topaz, and Garnet work better with a wet brush or using your finger. So these shadows, because I think they're pressed a little bit tighter, they don't work well with a brush for whatever reason. I am using synthetic brushes, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. This is the result I got from mostly a wet brush. I am very happy with it. Just thought I'd let you know. But this is gorgeous. Super excited to play with this. This is pretty much worth the box itself. So keep that in mind. Next up, I'm probably going to mispronounce this, is the Doucce Punk Volumizer Mascara. And yeah, I know I probably said that wrong. So they valued this at $26.99. I looked on their, like the official website, it said it was listed at $24. But it's full, like it's a full size. And this is the only full size mascara I own. I do have some smaller sizes because I don't typically go through a lot of mascaras, so I do find it's a little bit of a waste by a full tube. But here we are. I am wearing it. It's really great for spreading out the length of your lashes. It doesn't so much give you a really full look, but it definitely gives you that length for sure. Up next is the Chella Eyebrow Highlighter Pencil. So they valued this at $19.99, and then I went to the website and it said it was listed for $20, so yeah, pretty spot on. Now, this is in the shade Ivory Lace, so if it'll focus, that is what that looks like. I am not the right shade for this. This is very peach toned on my skin, and I did put it on today, but luckily it blends out really well, which thank goodness for that, because I put it on and I was like, oh. I don't typically put anything on my brow bones, so this was a bad idea to begin with. I think it is a good product, it's not the right shade for me, and I'm pretty sure it's the palest one they have, so go figure. I'm gonna try to use it for something else though. And last but not least, I did get a brush, which we know I like brushes. This one is the Crown Brush Pro Blush Brush. Yeah, it's a mouthful. Let me try to say that a little bit faster. Crown Brush Pro Blush Brush. Yeah, my brain just gets tricked up. So they valued this at $22.99, and I saw that and I was like, I don't know. Went to the website, Crown's website. At the time when I checked this, it was listed as $12. So they did technically hike up the price $10 on their little card here to let you know how much you're getting in value. But this is what it looks like. It's plastic, but it does seem very nice. But I don't usually wear blush, so I'll have to find a different use for this. And if I don't, maybe I'll give it to a friend who wears blush. From my understanding too, the way this subscription box works, you don't fill out a survey or anything. They just really just send everybody the same thing. That's kind of what I've gathered. And so they valued the box at $97.96 American. With my calculations, after tallying everything up from the actual suppliers' websites, it looks like it's about $84 US, which is still over the $75 mark. I did only get 4 products, but I mean full sizes of things, and really the eyeshadow palette alone to me was worth it, especially for the price. The full-size mascara is a bonus. I will be using this. So these 2 products are an automatic yes. While I may not get a lot of use out of the brush, other people obviously will. So this isn't catered to one specific person's wants, right? And then this, I'm just too pale. The last thing I want to mention is that the way this box works is that if you subscribe for a year, you get a limited edition box, and the value of that box is $200 to $400. Whether I stay subscribed for a year, we'll see. This box so far has left me pretty happy. I would say it's worth it so far. We'll see what products do come in the future. And like I said, I do have that referral code down below. I also want to mention that it bills on the 1st of every month. So I checked out their website. As far as my understanding goes, you can't automatically set it to go for like 3 months or a year or anything like that, like some subscription services. It's just, no, we take it out every month. So just thought I'd give everybody a heads up on that. Thank you so much for watching. I will be posting my Ipsy a year in review soon enough, but I thought I'd let you guys know about this one first. Take care of yourselves, and this is probably going up on Canada Day, so any of my fellow Canadians, happy Canada Day. Take care of yourselves. Bye.